Have you ever wondered what makes tools like ChatGPT feel so smart? It's not some kind of magic. It's actually a single, really powerful concept that we're going to break down today: attention. So let's get right into it.
Just think about it for a second. When you read a long, complicated sentence, your brain doesn't treat every single word equally, right? You just instinctively focus on the important parts to get the meaning. For the longest time, AI just couldn't do that. And teaching it how to focus, that was the breakthrough that changed absolutely everything.
So here's our game plan. First, we'll dig into the big problem that early AI just kept stumbling over. Then we'll introduce the brilliant solution, peek under the hood to see how it thinks, and watch the revolution it kicked off. Finally, we'll connect the dots to your daily life and talk about the real cost of all this incredible power. All right, first up, the long sentence problem. This was a massive wall for early AI. I mean, imagine trying to understand a story if you forgot the beginning of every sentence by the time you got to the end. That's pretty much the pickle these models were in. See, before this big breakthrough, you had models like recurrent neural networks, or RNNs, and they read text kind of like it was on a slow, clunky assembly line. They'd process one word at a time, in this super strict order, passing just a tiny piece of memory down the line with each step.
And yeah, that created a huge bottleneck. Think about that, assembly line trying to remember what happened way back at the start by the time it gets to the final word. Information just gets lost, it fades away. Everything was getting squeezed into this one fixed-size package of information, and it just wasn't nearly big enough to hold all the important details from a long sentence.
Take a look at this sentence. For an AI to get that fascinating is describing the book, it has to link the very last word all the way back to the second one. With the old models, by the time the AI got to fascinating, the memory of book was just a faint, fuzzy whisper. So, this massive memory problem needed a totally new kind of solution. And the solution that came along was, well, it was elegant, it was powerful, and it was actually inspired by how our own brains work. This is where the attention mechanism steps onto the stage. So technically speaking, an attention mechanism is a technique that lets a model dynamically focus on the most relevant parts of whatever it's reading. So instead of that rigid assembly line, it's like giving the AI a flexible spotlight that it can shine anywhere it needs to at any time. And that's really the core idea here. The model learns to give every word an important score. It actively decides what to pay attention to and, just as importantly, what to ignore. It's the difference between just skimming a document versus zeroing in on the one exact sentence you're looking for. Okay, so how does this whole thinking thing actually work under the hood? It all comes down to this really clever system with three main parts: the query, the key, and the value. You know, the best way to think about this is like doing a search online. The query, that's your question, it's what you're trying to figure out. The keys, that's like all of the titles of the web pages or labels on folders. And the values, that's the actual content, the info inside those pages or folders. The whole process is really beautiful in its simplicity. First, the model comes up with a query, basically a question. Then it compares that query to all the keys to find the best matches, the best clues. Based on how well they match up, it gives each one an important score. And finally, it grabs the values from the most important words and blends them together to get the answer. Now, this idea was super powerful, but for a while, it was just one tool in the toolbox. And then 2017 happened. A single research paper took this one idea and kicked off a revolution that completely redrew the map for the entire world of AI. A team of researchers at Google decided to just get rid of those old, slow, word-by-word models completely. They asked a wild question. What if we built a brand new kind of AI model that used only the attention mechanism? Nothing else. And that was the title of their groundbreaking paper, Attention is All You Need. It's such a bold statement, and it perfectly captures the idea. This paper introduced the world to the transformer architecture, which put attention right in the driver's seat. It wasn't just a feature anymore, it was the entire engine. And the advantage was just huge and immediate. By tossing out that word-by-word processing, models could suddenly look at an entire sentence all at once. This opened the door to parallel computation, which made them not just way faster, but also able to learn from datasets that were bigger than we ever thought possible. So this isn't just some abstract theory from a lab somewhere. Oh no, the transformer revolution put this technology directly into your hands, in tools you probably use every single day without even thinking about it. Ever used Google Translate to figure out a menu? Yep, that's powered by attention. Asked a question to Siri or Alexa or ChatGPT? That is attention at work. Those tools that can summarize a long article for you or even write computer code, they are all standing on the shoulders of the transformer architecture. This is the absolute foundation for the large language models that are changing our world right now. But, like any powerful technology, this amazing ability to focus comes with a few trade-offs. It is incredibly effective, for sure, but it also has a pretty significant price tag. So on the one hand, it completely solves that long sentence memory problem. It's blazing fast because it can process everything at once, and we can even peek inside and see what the model is focusing on, which is cool. But on the other hand, it is very, very expensive to run. The complexity grows quadratically. That basically means if you double the length of the text, the amount of work required doesn't just double, it quadruples. It's a real power-hungry beast, especially for very long documents. So, if there's one thing you take away from all this, let it be this. The attention mechanism was the giant leap forward that taught machines not just to read words, but to actually understand context and relevance. It gave AI the ability to focus, and in doing so, it unlocked the incredible things we're seeing today.
Which, of course, leaves us with a pretty fascinating question for the future. We have now taught our most powerful machines how to pay attention. The real challenge now is deciding, what should we point that incredible focus at next?